Winter life in Norway, guys. Hirap. Okay, Isaac, it's my turn. Mama's turn, little man. Isaac, it's Mama's turn. 2 minutes? Gusto niya siya daw maglinis. Okay, it's my turn, Isaac. 5, 4, 3. What's this? 2, 1. Is it my turn? Isaac, is it my turn? Isaac, is it my turn, little man?
Oh, there.
Oy. Good job, Isaac. Oh. Is it? Oh, careful. Is it my turn now?
I didn't want to.
Is it my turn now, Isaac? It's my turn now. More. Oh, careful, careful. How about on the other side? Yeah? Okay. Careful, okay? Oy. Is it nice, Isaac? Is it nice? It's very cold. Ang tagal anong tawag sa Tagalog? Malusaw? Magmelt ng ice. Kanina pa kami dito, siguro mga 10 minutes na. Naka-andar na yung sasakyan para matunaw yung ice. Pero until now, hindi pa talaga siya tunaw. So, hindi kami pwedeng mag-drive ng ganito kasi delikado masyado. So, ayan si Isaac, oh, naglilinis. Oh, is it my turn? Oh, not in the water, please. Not in the water. No, only in the car. Yeah. Is it my turn now? Is it Mama's turn, Isaac? Oh. It's Mama's turn now, little man. Wish, wish, wish. Swish, swish, swish. All day long. Huh?
I'm taking you.
Huh? What did you say? Again.
I'm gonna let it wash.
Okay, do you want to sing as well? Little man here. Where are you going? Check siya ng bubbles niya. Kasi hindi na umaandar. No more bubbles? Tumt? Oy. Let me see. No more. Uh-oh. You have to buy a new one, little man.
No.
Yeah, okay? Yeah. Wash, wash, wash. It's Isaac's cleaning day today. Right, little man? Is it Isaac's cleaning day? Oy. Så flink du Isaac. Tack för hjälpen. Oy, on that side as well. Oy. Is it nice? Is it nice cleaning the ice? Kanina pa yan siya, guys. 4 minutes na. Gusto niyang brush lang siya. How about on this side, little man? Here. Yeah? Wow, Isaac is very strong. Is Isaac strong? Huh? Is Isaac a big boy? Tingnan niyo yung dito, oh. Dapat mag-ingat talaga kasi napaka slide. Madulas masyado. Isaac, it's my turn now. We have to go soon. It's my turn now. It's Mama's turn now. Isaac. It's Mama's turn.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right there.
Huh? Here?
No, there.
Up here? Whoa! O yan, nagme-melt na siya. Okay, wait please. Hirap pag winter time. Okay, are you happy? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, we have to swish the car, okay? Okay, be careful. Wait please. Wait first. Wait first. We have to... Oy. Son. Oy, oy, oy. Then. Wow. Okay, we have to remove this one. We have to remove the ice.
No.
Oh, di ba? Tagal naming makakapunta nito sa pupuntahan namin, guys. Kasi ayaw niya magpapalit sa sa brush. Gusto niya siya lap. Okay, it's Mama's turn in 5 minutes, okay? No, 5 seconds. Okay, Isaac? Mama will count now. Isaac? Okay? 5 4 3 2 1. It's Mama's turn. Thank you. Mama's turn. Your 5 seconds is done. Oy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Do you want to sit here now inside? Okay, come inside na. Oh, very, very cold. Yeah, come on. You have to sit down first. Wish. Okay. Yeah. Come on.
No.
What happened?
Fall down.
Fall down? Son? Are you okay now? Oh, so cold. So cold. Are you okay? Yeah. We have to... Si Isaac kumakanta sa likod. Good job ito, Mani Mommy. Good job. Are you singing? Are you singing the family finger? Finger family? Okay, let's go. Let's go, little man. Wish. Wish. Are you ready? Huh? Wish. Mama needs to prepare the car first. Whoa, it's very cold, guys. On. And then yung mirror natin. Tapos, naku, yung isang tawag dito, salamin, side mirror, hindi nagpa-function. Patay. Hindi ko siya maano. Hindi ko siya ma-adjust. Ayan. Yan. Are you ready, little man?
Yeah.
No sleeping, okay? Okay. Bye, everyone. Alisin muna kami ni Isaac. Have a nice day.